And I'm just gonna try to pop these off. And just like that. Wow, that was really easy. Wow. Okay. What is up, and welcome back to the channel, everybody. Just before I get into today's video, I want to let you guys know that my new t-shirt design, which will be right here, is now available. You can go to MrEazyS10.com, go to shop now, and then you can go click the links to pre-order a t-shirt or a hoodie. We are doing hoodies, but the hoodies are only pre-order. So if you don't pre-order a hoodie, you won't get one because I'm not going to stock them. I will stock shirts, so if you see me at an event, you still can get shirts. But if you pre-order, it'll lock you in for sure to get one because I'm going to do a limited number of these. And when I run out of stock, I run out of stock. But if you pre-order, you are guaranteed to get your shirt. But also, I'm going to do today is I got my drift car here, and as you can see, I got these bright orange wheels. I got those last week, and they come with these like a cambered style tire. Well, these are like for the plastic of the tires are for more of like a carpet surface. So when we get on like a concrete or like a tile floor, it don't have necessarily the speed because it's spinning a lot. But I did get me some of these MST red dots. So the red dots, I believe, are like the third to the softest compound of tire you can get. Bobby runs these, Jay runs these, and their cars have a lot more speed and they grip up a lot better. And you actually really have to drive your car into the corners, other than like my car will just like you just flick it and the thing will just slide the corner like it's nothing because it's meant for like a carpet course with those tires. So I'm gonna switch these tires today. Now there's a couple videos online about how to do this. I don't know how to do it. I tried just pressing those tires off with my fingers. I couldn't get it done. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do it by heating up water in a pan, a bowl, you know, on the oven, and setting them in there, letting them soak a little bit in the heat, and then you get a towel and you press them out. So I'm going to do that today, a little how-to video. I don't know if you guys like these, but if you do, give me a thumbs up, comment, and also this body, you know, this is my first drift car. I don't know how to drift. Bobby does have a couple poles in his basement, and I've smashed them at full speed several times. So now my body is broken in spots. So this body is pretty clapped out, and I do need to rebuild the front shocks too, as the shocks are blown on these. I believe it wasn't only me, but Jub, we got these 2.5s, and the front shocks pretty much leaked oil right when we got them, and Jub replaced his shocks with different ones. I'm just going to rebuild these ones with some 30 weight oil in them. I just haven't yet. But yeah, we're going to be doing that today, but like I said, as I was getting to, I got me a new body for that car. So this is a C7 Corvette. It's going to look really good on there. I went on eBay. I got with this one guy that cuts them and paints them for you. Stickers them all up, sends them your way. So that's what I did. I had him paint the windows black for me because I like tinted out stuff. So he did that for me, and it turned out amazing. Sorry about that, I had a hiccup. But yeah, it's a competition orange, and the rear bumper is removable. I could take that off if I don't want to damage it. But this car, the back end's a lot shorter than that one right there. So I'm definitely going to have to learn how to get the back end closer to the wall. I do think I'm going to take that wing off, and I'm going to see how it looks on that Corvette. And if it looks good, JDM-ish, I'm going to throw that big old wing on top of that car. So hopefully that goes there. There is one thing I'd like to change on this, is that the side skirts here, it's just a sticker, and it's like coming off. So I might take London's paint pens, and I might just paint that black. And then along with the front lip, it is orange right now. And I think I'm just going to take London's black paint marker, and I'm going to make those ground effects black. And then that car should be ready to go for the next time we go to Bobby's, besides the shock rebuild. And still got my drag car here. This is my outlaw car. I do have a carbon chassis for it. I just haven't built it completely yet. I guess the carbon car kind of made me mad the last time I took it out. I hit the finish line ramp and it went 35 feet up in the air, and my battery into the ground. Kind of messed my battery up, so I'm kind of sour about that. But yeah, I'm going to get to heating up some water. I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm going to heat up some water, and I'm going to change these tires out. I'm going to see how easy it is. I haven't done it yet, so I don't know if it's going to be good or bad, but you guys are going to be experiencing it with me. So hope you guys like it. If you guys haven't done this before, then you're with me on the first time. So hopefully this helps you and gets everything going good. First things first, while I have some water right here heating up, I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then I'm going to slow it down. But I have to take the wheels off this car. So that's where I'm going to start, is taking the tires and wheels off this car. Get my tool pouch out. The MST that comes with this little lug nut wrench. So you just get in here, you loosen it up, pop your nut off, and then your wheel comes off just like that. I think one of these days I'm actually going to paint these calipers. Maybe I probably should do that now, since I got them off the car, and I'm gonna wait a little bit. Take one of London's paint pens, and I'll paint those up. I don't know what color to do them though, but there's a little tiny Allen head on there that you can use your toolkit and loose them off, take them off, and then you can do whatever you want with them. While the water was heating up, I found London's paint pen, so I painted the calipers like a baby blue or type of color. I took those off, but the water is boiling. I think it might be a little warm, so I'm going to turn the temperature down. And I don't know how to do this, but I'm just going to plop these guys in here, and hopefully they don't melt. They are floating a little bit. So I guess we'll just put these in there for a couple minutes. And 12:49, let's say 50. We'll pull them out and we'll give them a try. So I got the first one here. It's been a minute. I'm gonna take a towel, and I'm just gonna try to pop these off. And just like that. Wow, that was really easy. Wow. Okay, that was easy. And we'll just take this one and pop that one off too. Jeez. I don't know why. I never even thought of this before. Take it. Set her down. And almost instantly, I'm able to, the tire is extremely hot right now, but I'm going to be done. Ah! Burned my fingers a little bit, but I still did it anyways. Grab the last one. Turn it off. And woo! And just like that, we got these tires and wheels separated. Just like that. Just with the heat and everything, it all expands, you know, just like putting stuff in the freezer for car parts or in the oven, you know. Stuff heats and contracts. That's what I did. So now I got these tires and wheels separated. So now I'm gonna go and open these MST softs. These are MST softs right here. And I'm just gonna stick my finger in there and go. So this is the chart. So I guess there are 2 compounds softer than what I got right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I got the reds. There's softer that's green, and there's softer that's yellow. I do have a pair of 2, just 2 of them. Yellows coming. I'm gonna put those on my white wheels. So if I need to get extra grippy, I will be able to do that. I'm just gonna set these ones over here so I don't get them mixed up. And these tires, you can just automatically feel the difference in these things. Like, it's crazy. And red dots, of course, you know. I'm gonna stick the red dots to the outside. And these are probably not gonna fit. Wonder why that is. Is it a different style wheel? I don't know. This is weird. Well, I thought I was going to do this. But maybe not. Do I maybe pop these in here and see if I can get these to expand too? Pop them in the heat. What I did is, I'm just going to pop them in the heat for a minute or so. 53. And I turned the heater back on. And we'll see if I can heat them up and pop them on those wheels. I thought that was really weird that those did not go onto there. So, I don't know if it's a different size of wheel or what. But, see, like, those still slide right on. So, I don't know. I'm a little bit confused right now. They definitely go on backwards too. So, I don't know. I'm going to heat these up. I'm going to give it a minute, and I'm going to see if I'll be able to pop them on. So, I've had them in there for just a couple minutes. And, yeah. I think they're going to pop on now. Give them a good old push. Don't know why they're not going to fit that way. Maybe I need to swap them. Put them on from the other direction. So definitely heating them up makes them a lot easier to get on and off. Ain't going to be able to get it off. So maybe do I just pop it on this way? It's like they're not going on that last ledge there. So I stuck both the wheel and the tire in the heat. And I'm not getting there either. I still ain't getting there. Take another one out, as this is not going the way I wanted it to go. And this is not working. It's like going down right there. Cooking my fingers here, because this stuff is hot and I'm not figuring it out. What was really going on is I was putting the tire on, and when I would get it over the first lip, the tire would actually start curling in towards the barrel of the wheel and not allowing the tire to get up over the lip of the other side. So I ended up going over to Bobby's house. Bobby heated up some water like I did essentially, and then got his die grinder out, and he ended up making the backside lip rounded, and then once he rounded that backside lip of the wheel, the tire was able to slide up and over it, as it wasn't a squared off edge anymore. So doing that, I epically failed at installing tires onto these wheels. This RC stuff is pretty stubborn. It's little tiny pieces and all that stuff like that, and I'm learning as I'm going. The more I do it, the better I'm getting, of course. But I thank you guys for watching and staying tuned. Sorry I couldn't complete this video with a successful mission. But that little lip there, so
I tried. I gave it the good old college try, so I hope you guys appreciate it. And until next time, we'll catch you later.
Hey, living like a mess, trying to numb my pain. Battling the demons in my mind all day. Either I'm fucked up or I'm insane. Pop a pill, have a drink, don't break down. Hey, living like a mess, trying to numb my pain. Battling the demons in my mind all day. Either I'm fucked up or I'm insane. Pop a pill, have a drink, don't break down. Let's flash back to a moment.